Hello world, Jennifer here. Welcome to the new YouTube studio. My stepson decided to move out and he found himself his own place, leaving a spare bedroom open, so the only thing to do is to turn the spare bedroom into my YouTube studio. I've tried to get the lighting together and things the best I can tonight to just get a video up and start talking about things that I planned on doing this spring and in the summer. I've been filming quite a bit now that spring has arrived, and I'm looking forward to a lot of maintenance on vehicles and other things, including getting my Ford back together to try to get myself somewhat of a hot rod going, which you could of course call it the Hot Rod Ford. I've been trying to plan some road trips this summer to kind of get away from the house, out of just plain old boring routine of either vehicle maintenance, repair, tree work, or whatever the day brings, and get into maybe some adventures, seeing things and seeing sights in southern Georgia. I'm still thinking about what to do about some tree work that I do and filming it and how I would present it. Please let me know what you think in the comments about tree work that I do, even though I only do the tree work as a hobby. I am not a tree service, a tree business, or anything like that. I do it as a paid hobby. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoy. I've decided it's video tour time with all the different vehicles and things that I've been working on. Kind of since we're here in spring, thought I'd kind of give everybody a video tour of some of my plans, thoughts, ideas, another thing that's going on, and you can see what I've been thinking about and would be looking to try to get at least some stuff on the move and moving this summer. We'll start first with the Ford Ranger I've been trying to put back together and turn into somewhat of a little bit of a hot rod. 94 Ford Ranger, nothing spectacular about it. I bought it because it had been rear-ended, and I ended up actually having another Ford Ranger. This one has the V6 4-liter pushrod motor. I'd like to replace the power steering pump with a homemade supercharger made from a turbocharger that's belt drive it instead of having it work off the exhaust. And the other Ford Ranger I have is a manual, and I'm going to go with a manual in this one with the V6 and use the better gear ratio on the rear end from the automatic. So of course we have that need for speed. So we'll think the interior of the cab is in really nice shape. I'll get you a couple of pictures of that. It has no motor in it right now. That's up in the garage. I've been trying to get myself to get that back together. Okay, picture of the interior. I hate bench seats, so I took the buckets. I took the driver's seat, cut the extra piece off of it that they had added to make it a bench, and turned it into two buckets. The only thing you can see, the seam going down the front of the seat there, is the only extra seam around, and there's a little bit of seam on the back. You can see the holes. Figure out how to put the armrest back or whatever. I might do something with an armrest there on the side of the driver's seat. But I think that was an interesting custom touch of having truly bucket seats, where they are the original Ford seats, but instead of being the split bench, I've made it into two buckets.